tropical cacao forests. The finest Swiss chocolates start with the rarest cacao beans. Sourced from limited plantations in Ecuador, Switzerland is known for many things: pristine lakes, majestic Alps, and precision engineering. But among these, Swiss chocolate stands as a symbol of luxury and perfection. Luxury chocolate isn't just a sweet treat, it's a labor of patience, rare ingredients, and meticulous skill. Some bars can cost hundreds, even thousands of dollars, and the journey begins far away, in the tropical cacao forests. The finest Swiss chocolates start with the rarest cacao beans, sourced from limited plantations in Ecuador, Venezuela, and Ghana. These are not ordinary beans. For example, Porcelana cacao, prized for its creamy flavor and rarity, yields just a few tons per year. Harvesting is done by hand, as machines would damage the delicate beans. Each pod is carefully cut, seeds scooped, and fermented under strict conditions. Fermentation is where the magic begins. Tiny chemical changes create complex flavors, from floral to nutty, that define luxury chocolate. Once dried, the beans are transported to Switzerland. Here, roasting becomes a fine art. Each batch is roasted at precise temperatures, for specific times. Too hot, and the delicate flavors burn. Too cold, and the chocolate lacks depth. After roasting, beans are ground into a smooth, glossy paste known as cocoa liquor. For some of the most luxurious brands, this grinding process can take up to 72 hours, producing a texture so fine it melts effortlessly on the tongue. This step is called conching, named after the conch-shaped machines originally used. Swiss chocolatiers often blend multiple rare beans to create signature flavors. Then comes the addition of sugar, milk, and sometimes exotic flavors like gold leaf, rare spices, or even truffle essences. For example, La Madeleine aux Truffes from Knipschild uses 70% Valrhona cacao and a whole black truffle wrapped in dark chocolate. It's a delicate balance. The ingredients must complement, not overpower, each other. Every addition is measured in grams, sometimes less than a teaspoon per batch. While some mass-market chocolate is molded mechanically, luxury chocolate is often handcrafted. Chocolatiers pour the chocolate into molds by hand, rotate them, and remove air bubbles with tiny brushes. Shapes are sculpted with precision tools, almost like a jeweler crafting gems. Some chocolate pieces are painted with gold dust or edible pigments. It's not just about taste, it's a feast for the eyes. A single box may contain dozens of pieces, each unique. Once molded, chocolate undergoes tempering, a process of carefully cooling and heating to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. This gives it that perfect snap and glossy finish. Some high-end chocolates are aged like fine wine, allowing the flavors to mature over weeks. This subtle difference can elevate chocolate from excellent to extraordinary. Luxury chocolate is more than taste, it's experience. Boxes are hand-assembled, sometimes lined with silk and adorned with gold foil. Brands like Toac or Debove and Gallet craft packaging that mirrors the chocolate's exclusivity. Even storage is critical. Chocolate must be kept in controlled environments. Too warm, and it melts. Too cold, and it loses aroma. Some connoisseurs even age chocolate in wooden cabinets, like rare whiskey or wine. The world's most expensive chocolate can cost over $400 per 100 grams. Some chocolates include 24-karat gold leaf, rare single-origin cacao, or even aged balsamic vinegar as flavor enhancers. The process from bean to bar can take months, with dozens of quality checks along the way. Every step, from selecting the bean to packaging, is designed to deliver perfection. Luxury chocolate is not just food, it's art, science, and a status symbol. Next time you unwrap a fine Swiss chocolate, remember, you're tasting centuries of craftsmanship, rare ingredients, and meticulous care. It's a reminder that even in something as simple as chocolate, the pursuit of excellence can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary.